So today was kind of like a weird video. I've never really done that before. I just want to kind of take you through a short little of what my day's kind of like, and also talk to you guys about something else that's happening in my life. I've come to find out that on the 4th of February, I'm being furloughed. I'm not losing my job, but I'm being furloughed from the contract that we're on, which means I'll have to take PTO that I have left, and then I'll be able to take a little bit of extra PTO, or go in the hole, as it were. This is all going to happen while I'm at King of the Hammers. We got this news last week-ish. Usually this is something that would cause me like a ton of stress, because uncertain futures I really do not do well with. I like to have a plan of action. I like to have lists, Excel spreadsheets and whatnot. Honestly, just the way 2018 went, how awesome 2018 went, how epic 2019 is shaping up to be, and we're like 22 days in. Like, you can't even bring me down right now. I'm on cloud whatever, like the 3/4th highest cloud is. Like, that's where I'm at right now. You guys blew it out of the water for 2018. Like, I'm still in shock of how well 2018 went. Even with me launching new merchandise, how well Built to Heal 2018 went. Everything else, all the shows I was able to go to. So this one small thing of being furloughed, honestly, drop in the bucket, not even worried about it. The only reason that I'm going to be able to go this year, King of the Hammers 2019, I've been wanting to go to this event for years. The only reason I'm able to go is because of you guys. I was able to sell enough decals. You guys bought enough decals. I don't deserve any of you guys. This is absolutely insane what is happening in my life. And I just want to make sure that you guys know that I know that this is completely absurd, and I am humbled and grateful for everything that's been going on. So even though I'm coming back from King of the Hammers to a very uncertain future, I can honestly say that I am not worried about it in the slightest. Well, maybe like a little bit slightest, but not to the point where it's going to affect me or it's going to affect my mindset, because a lot of times I can get fixated on one specific thing and make that like my whole world is crumbling. If you guys know me personally on any level, that's how I operate. I'll take the smallest thing and blow it into a huge deal, get myself so down to a point where I can barely function. I shut down, have a mental breakdown or whatever you want to call it, and then I'll just disappear for like a week. So I would just want to do this video real quick to say thank you guys again. The only reason I'm going to KOH this year is because of you, and also give you a little insight into what's going on in my future here. Thank you. Big things ahead. Some not so awesome things, but those are being overshadowed by the things that are absolutely completely amazing. So thank you guys, and I look forward to having you on this journey with me. Have a great one, guys.